Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to remove Toyota Sienna front seats. First, prioritize safety by disconnecting your vehicle's battery to prevent electrical issues. Then, move the front seats as far forward as possible to access the rear mounting bolts. Finally, carefully remove any plastic trim covers that might be obstructing the bolt heads. Now, let's tackle those mounting bolts. Each front seat is typically secured by 4 bolts, 2 at the front and 2 at the rear. Use an appropriate socket wrench to loosen and then completely remove all 4 bolts. Make sure to keep track of them, perhaps in a small container, so they don't get lost during the process. With the bolts out, it's time to address the electrical connections. Gently tilt the seat backward to gain better access to the underside. You'll find several wiring harnesses connected to the seat. Carefully unplug all these connectors, ensuring you don't pull on the wires themselves. Take your time to avoid damaging any components. Finally, we're ready to remove the seats from your Sienna. Recline the seat back fully to help balance the seat as you lift it. These seats can be quite heavy, so it's highly recommended to have a second person assist you. Carefully lift the seat out of the vehicle, being mindful of the door frame and interior trim.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.